Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about the benefits of selling on Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. Sellers are looking for ways to create sales for their businesses to make additional money that they can get from online purchases of their buyers. These buyers have discovered their items for sale. Facebook Marketplace is a separate section on Facebook where people go to look for things that they can buy. People who are browsing the marketplace will always have the intention to buy items. They might be looking and searching for items, but for now, they won't take action. Once they found out the right product and seller, there's a greater chance that they will choose that seller out of the other competitors in their area. As a seller, you can target a huge audience size. There are over 2 billion people who are using Facebook, and if you're selling products that you can only offer to potential buyers in your country or in your local area, then you can still attract a huge percentage of ready buyers who are browsing Facebook Marketplace to look for products that they can buy. Next, direct-to-customer messaging. When your potential buyer discovers your product listing on Marketplace, they can send you a direct message right away. Common messages that you might expect are the availability of the product, requesting for more photos of the product, ensuring if the condition of the item is good with no issues at all, the best price it can give them, and the arrangement if for pickup or for shipping. Next, you can get all the sales for your transactions. Marketplace transactions will not cut your profits. 100% of your profits will go to your business. Posting items for sale on Marketplace won't cost any seller a small fragment of fee just to reach more potential buyers on Facebook. Since you are using Facebook's platform, you won't have to use an external website to reach your target market, and your customers don't have to leave Facebook to purchase the items that they want to buy from you. If you are in the United States, you can offer your buyers a checkout option directly from Facebook's platform. Your potential buyers will see the buy now option. Next, increase your conversions. Facebook Marketplace is where people go to browse product listings so that they can look for items that they're interested in. Even if they don't have the intent to buy, for now, they can discover your product listing. Your product's attractive photos, showing multiple angles of the product, detailed description about your product, and a good price deal can easily change a potential buyer's mind to take action and buy your product. Next, your product can be discovered locally. You can attract potential buyers who are looking for the products that you are selling in your local area. The purchasing decision of buyers might depend on the location of the seller. They might prefer to deal with sellers where they can pick up the items or meet them up near their area. Your product listings will be shown in your local area, so people who are browsing the same items as your product can discover your product listing as they browse their marketplace. If they would prefer shipping, you can arrange a courier that can deliver the product to your customer. Remember that good communication should be exchanged between you as a seller and the buyer. Facebook optimized Marketplace to offer products to potential buyers based on their previous product search or product views. This feature can help your business as Facebook will keep on recommending your product listing to people who are interested in the category of your product and the similarity of the products that they're recently browsing. So if they're recently browsing for shoes, then Facebook will recommend more product listings the same as that product. And if that product matches your product listing, there's a huge possibility that a potential buyer can discover your product and purchase from you. Now that you know about the benefits of selling on Facebook Marketplace, we can now proceed to the next topic, how to use Facebook Marketplace. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.